Hello everyone, today we wanna make Alfredo pasta, delicioso Alfredo pasta. Stay tuned with, where is my knife? The first method, classic Alfredo pasta. Cook the fettuccine with salt and water until al dente. For the sauce, add grated Parmesan cheese, butter, garlic, black pepper, salt and pasta water in a deep bowl and mix together. Mix the pasta well with Alfredo sauce until it's hot. Listen to its voice carefully. For the garnish, I use black pepper and Parmesan cheese slices. It's very simple. The second method, Alfredo pasta in my own way. Do this to make the chicken taste better. Add mustard sauce, salt, black pepper, olive oil, Parmesan cheese to the chicken breast so that it's well marinated. Let's make a sauce together. Slice the onion and fry it with olive oil in a deep pan. Chop and add garlic. After that, cut the mushrooms in a way that after cooking, its size doesn't decrease. Mix milk, cream, oregano, Parmesan cheese, black pepper and salt in a deep bowl and add to the vegetables. Grill the chicken and start cooking the pasta at the same time. Pour the spaghetti directly into the saucepan and let it cook in the sauce for 2 minutes. Do not forget to serve with parsley and Parmesan. May God have mercy on you, Mr. Alfredo. Thanks for watching this video.